Wealthfront Path Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review, watch before using. Wealthfront is a robo-advisor designed for hands-off investors who want automated portfolio management, low fees, and a goal-based financial planning tool. One of its standout features is Path, an AI-driven planning tool that helps you project your future wealth, analyze different savings scenarios, and optimize investment decisions. With a 0.25% management fee and no commissions, Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, direct indexing for higher value accounts, and smart rebalancing to maximize returns. It's built for long-term investors who prefer passive investing through diversified ETFs rather than active trading. Unlike some robo-advisors, it doesn't offer human advisors, which might be a drawback for those who need personalized guidance. The account minimum is just $500, making it accessible to beginners, but also scalable for high net worth individuals with advanced tax-efficient strategies. Path integrates with external financial accounts to provide a real-time net worth overview and simulate various financial goals, from home purchases to early retirement. However, it assumes steady market returns, which isn't always realistic, and it lacks advanced customization beyond preset ETF portfolios. Wealthfront also provides a high-yield cash account and crypto exposure via Grayscale Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts, though these come with higher volatility and fees. If you want a fully automated, tax-efficient investing experience with low-cost index funds, Wealthfront is a strong choice. But if you prefer active stock picking or want human advice, it's not for you. Ultimately, it's best suited for those focused on long-term hands-off investing with automated optimization. If that sounds like you, Wealthfront might be a great fit. Otherwise, you may want to explore other robo-advisors with hybrid options.